Hailed as a pioneering godfather of Jamaican music, Ewart Beckford, more affectionately known as Daddy U-Roy, will continue to be hailed and remembered for his valuable contribution to shaping Jamaica's musical landscape. U-Roy, who died yesterday at the age of 79, is credited with popularizing the art of toasting on reggae rhythms in the early days of dancehall sound systems. Daddy U-Roy is best remembered for songs like Wake the Town.
Wake the town and tell the people about the musical disc coming your way. Now wake the town and tell the people I've got a musical disc and I can't afford to be late. Like a plain musical disc with straight.
And Wear You to the Ball, featuring John Holt. Here is how some industry insiders best recall the reggae icon.
Ewart Beckford, Daddy U-Roy, is a pioneering figure in Jamaican and modern popular music. Genres like hip-hop, reggaeton, dancehall, owe their existence in a large measure to the efforts of a pioneering figure like Daddy U-Roy. He really changed the course of what modern popular music is with his pioneering style of vocal delivery.
Yeah.
And the world owes him a great debt of gratitude for that.
Yeah.
You know, of course, many people will remember him through Sturgeon and, you know, with Josie Wales and Charlie Chaplin. Sturgeon, you're nice, Jesus Christ. Josie Wales, yes.
Yeah.
But Daddy U-Roy will also be forever remembered for Wear You to the Ball and Wake the Town and Tell the People. Yeah, his DJ on the DJing on Wear You to the Ball with John Holt is one of the earliest examples of that style on record.
Right.
And people will remember him as a very simple soul, you know, somebody who was very humble, you know, always willing to help and never making too much noise, you know. He was very quiet, always respectful of others. That's what I remember Daddy U-Roy as. A wonderful person and a great pioneer in Jamaican and modern popular music. I mean, he was one of the giants in the music, a quiet one, because he never called a lot of attention to himself.
Right.
But his influence, pervasive and can be felt all over the world, you know?
Right, right.
He is like Sir Christopher Wren at St. Paul's Cathedral said, reader, if you seek my memorial, just look around you. You know, if you seek U-Roy's memorial, you listen to a hip hop tune, or you listen to a reggaeton song, or you listen to a dancehall tune, because I mean his legacy is reflected in all of these genres.
Right.
Daddy U-Roy, Ewart Beckford O.D., the originator, is the godfather of dancehall, hip-hop, and reggaeton. He was a pioneer in the global spread of the toasting and talk over the rhythm style of Jamaican music that became very popular. For me, he's a true icon and an innovator. His work with sound system culture, for example with his Sturgav sound, and his immense following in places like London and Toronto gave him a huge boost and ensured his global popularity from the early 1970s onwards. My best memory of Daddy U-Roy is listening to my mother play his music and singing along as a very young child. So songs like Wake the Town and Way You to the Ball were very popular, and my mother enjoyed Jamaican music, and so she played these songs and I was brought into the mix. As a person, Daddy U-Roy was always smiling and cheerful the times whenever we met, and I was lucky to bump into him several times in airports when we were traveling. He was always willing to share his knowledge and to be of assistance in discussions about the music. Wake the Town and Rule the Nation are my two personal favorites of Daddy U-Roy's catalog because they carry such personal memories. Memories of my family, memories of great times at home, as well as out dancing with friends and others. This station, Rule the Nation with Version. I love these songs. And so I give thanks to Daddy U-Roy's life and his immense contribution, and I celebrate him even as we mourn his passing.
Yeah, you are come again. You can do it, baby, do it. Do it like you never do before. You can keep on coming to my door. Shake, baby, shake like a day. Rock it, baby, rock it. You can grab it, baby, grab it. Move, brother, move. Make a move, just a move. Yeah, move, brother, move. Move and groove, mama, groove, daddy, groove. Shake, baby, shake. You can grab it, baby, grab it. Feel it, daddy. Do it, daddy, do it. You can do it again. Like you never did before. Do your thing, daddy. Make a move, brother, make a move. Grab it, yeah. One time. Sweat, baby, sweat. Sweat, baby, sweat. Whenever you fret. Sweat, baby, sweat, like I said. You can do it, daddy, do it. You can do it, baby, do it. Move, baby, move. Lord of mercy. Groove, baby. Lord of mercy, I play. Musical disco today. Sweat, baby, sweet, as I said.